Hello guys, it's me, Steve, and welcome back to Grind to Freedom. We're all here grinding towards our freedom, and today I want to talk about how to get your first 150 subscribers on YouTube. So how to get your 150 subscribers on YouTube. First, start. That's very basic. Start your channel, whatever your niche is going to be. My recommendation is to just be yourself. Tell your life story, pour your heart out, and slowly but surely people will gravitate towards you. But you can start about any type of niche, right? And then in the beginning, you're gonna go through something called the testing phase, or what I like to call the testing phase, which is like once you identify the niche that you're in, or even if you don't know what niche you're gonna be in, you start making videos, start testing, start experimenting. Start seeing what are the things that are going to gravitate the most with the people, but not only that, but what are the things that the YouTube algorithm are going to carry forward for you in your videos, in your channel. So in order to know, you need data. In order to have data, you need to experiment, you need to test. So you have to go through an extensive period of testing. This extensive period can go through a period of a week, couple weeks, to a month. I would say if you test enough, a month should be enough. If your outputs are not so great, meaning you're only posting one video a week or one video every 2 weeks, then it's definitely going to take longer than a month because you're not testing enough. You need to test quite the amounts of time in order for you to know what are the topics, what are the things that people and the algorithm are gravitating more towards. For example, on this channel, a lot of my most popular videos is a mix between leaving 9-to-5 jobs, side hustles, so things that you can start, how to make money online type stuff, and then YouTube advice. So that's why, for example, this video is in one of those three pillars. Can you guess which one? It actually might be in two, because technically it's like, make money online too. But essentially, I do this because I have the data. I've been testing every day. Every day I've been testing. I only missed like one day that I didn't post videos or whatever because I needed a break for one day. But then, I kept posting, and now based on the amount of data that I have those videos that I know, okay, if I talk about these specific topics, people gravitate towards it more and the algorithm recommends it more. So, and even though I'm still technically a very small channel, like I only have, a couple hundreds of people in my channel subscribed, I still have data that shows what are the things that I need to talk about more, or what are the things that people are interested on because they comment, engage more, or what are the things the algorithm is pushing. So you need to go through this period in order for you to not only surpass your first 100 subscribers, but surpass your first 150 subscribers. Now, I'm going to tell you a secret, and this is a way that you can grow very fast to 150 subscribers. Very, very, very fast. But, you make your judgment if you just want to rely on this method. So, the method to get 150 subscribers very, 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 very fast, and this is a secret method, is a method that I use very little, but I've used in the past, and I've seen other people use it, and it's very true that like you can grow to over 150 subscribers very fast using this method, and that is through, drum roll please, YouTube Shorts. So if you start focusing and dedicating time on making YouTube shorts, but these YouTube shorts, they can't be like any type of YouTube shorts. They have to be like YouTube shorts that like are engaging, have captions, you know, stuff like that. They're entertaining in some way. When you make those type of things, the people in the shorts feed, they see your videos quicker. The only thing though is that a lot of people, so the viewers of like your shorts doesn't fully translate into viewers for your long videos. Shorts can get you subscribers, which is fine if that's what you want. But what's gonna get you monetized, if that's what you're looking to, is you have to make long form videos. So videos like the videos that I make, that I am giving you advice, I'm explaining to you something, I may be sharing with you a story, maybe in the moment I'm feeling a certain feeling and I need to talk to you guys because I need to talk to someone. Those are the type of videos that I typically make if you've been on this channel. And by the way, talking about that, if you haven't done so already and you like this type of content, I've engaged you enough to be up to this point of the video, please subscribe. It will help us tremendously reach over 1,000 subscribers hopefully very soon. So if you do so, it will help us quite a lot. So by you also implementing what I just did is a call to action, a CTA, reminding people, hey, you enjoy this? Don't forget to subscribe. Is going to help along the way. It's going to help along the process of you getting to 150 subscribers. And once you exhaust those avenues, everything that I just told you, like, you're going to reach 100. Like, it's inevitable for you to reach 150 subscribers if you do enough tests. If you do enough tests, if you do enough experimenting, if you just do enough, you're going to reach that promised land. If you like this type of content, please like the video, comment below what are the things that you're going to start implementing that I gave you advice on ASAP in order for you to get those 150 subscribers so you get your YouTube channel up and going. Let me know in the comments below. We'd really like to know. And thank you so much for tuning into this one. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful rest of your day.